Introducing ViewTech's third-generation professional-grade articulating video borescope, the VJ-3, to help you speed up your inspection and repair times and reduce operating costs. Featuring crystal-clear resolution, intuitive user controls, and built to take the daily abuse of working in the field, the VJ-3 is our most advanced video borescope yet. Over the past decade, our team has helped over 1,000 companies like yours improve their maintenance, inspection, and repair processes with our VJ series video borescopes. You can't fix what you can't see. The VJ-3 enables remote visual inspection of any complex equipment, machinery, or process. It is compact, fully portable, and ideal for most industry applications. The 4-way joystick provides smooth and precise control of the fully articulating micro camera module. Visibility is further enhanced by the adjustable high-intensity LEDs and up to 4 times digital zoom, allowing you to see every detail. With easy-to-reach control buttons and intuitive drop-down menus, you'll be proficient in operating the VJ-3 Video Borescope in just minutes. And with a ruggedized design and IP ratings of 54 and 67, the VJ-3 is designed to withstand the daily abuse of field operations in any industry. You can change out the VJ-3's rechargeable battery at any time to keep your team inspecting longer. And when you're ready, you can review your inspection images and video directly on the VJ-3's high-resolution monitor, or take the removable SD card with you for remote viewing. Now, if you've ever owned or used a borescope, you know the importance of customer service. Unrivaled customer service and support have been at the heart of our business since the ViewTech Borescopes team was established in 2008 as RF System Lab. Our sole focus is video borescopes, and we have earned our reputation as the experts in the industry. Call us and you'll find out why we're the #1 seller of video borescopes in North America, serving companies in every industry, from aviation maintenance to zinc mining. At ViewTech, we deliver not only the best service in the industry, but we also save you time and money. The VJ-3 has the lowest cost of ownership available. Call today to speak with one of our representatives, and we'll ship you a free, no-obligation VJ-3 demo unit to try today.